The reputed leader of the Clansman gang, Tesha Miller, has been arrested by the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The alleged leader of one faction of the notorious Clansman gang, Tesha Miller, was held by the police in the corporate area on Monday, October 29.
Just closed.
Fitz Bailey, senior superintendent in charge of CTOC, said Miller and a woman identified as his girlfriend were held at a plaza in Barbican. He did not disclose why Miller was arrested, only noting that he will undergo a question and answer session. After serving a prison sentence in the United States, Miller was deported to Jamaica in 2016. The following year, he reportedly fled to the Bahamas, but was held by authorities there for illegal entry and deported back to Jamaica. However, only months after his deportation from the Bahamas in 2017, he was listed as a person of interest by CTOC and was asked to report to the police following a spike in murders in the St. Catherine North Division. The police at the time theorized that Miller could assist in their investigation of several murders recorded in Spanish Town and sections of Portmore during the first quarter of the year. Miller remains in custody at the time of this publication.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.